She puts on her makeup and brushes her long brown hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady was walking around with me, and then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love life in your eyes, and the wonder of it all, that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got a making day. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn off the light, I say,